Welcome to the Formula Unlimited Racing. So we've taken another pole position. Pole position here in the Indy Grand Prix. Indian Grand Prix. So now it's time to race. It's time to race here in India. And it's time to claim the World Championship League. Link alongside us right now. And we're racing in India, riding start for Rins, riding start for Alex, and going to first corner. Rins takes the lead of the race. He takes the lead of the race. That was actually crazy, this one. And if you ever try to, and Morbidelli is going to move up places this one. After this long straight, Alex Rins is still taking the lead, still taking the lead of this race. And will be surely back in the championship contention here. With only few races remaining. Closing now, roughly. Oh, we're nearly touched Alex Rins. This is like the first lap as we never imagined. This is the real racing game. That is the real life. Arizona completely taking the lead. He's taking the lead. And we're looking cold on the brakes. Oh, we crashed! Oh, we crashed! But luckily we saved that on 4.360. But we've lost the lead. We've lost the lead. And Alex has lost his opportunity of the World Championship. Swami is going to win is going to win his Grand Prix. Once again, I mean his third Grand Prix. His third Grand Prix. Luckily we did a full 360 without touching that barrier. After we did a cold tire. After we crashed. We crashed out of the lead this one. Joan Mir is going to take the lead of the race. We're a few seconds ahead of the drivers. Alvaro Collider because lap 3 this one. Nothing error by us. We're going to sweep on the inside line and we both crashed out of the lead. That was the most controversial moment in the World Championship. This could be a change in the complexion. The World Championship. We both crashed out of the lead. So now we're out of the podium contention. Out of the podium spot. Morbidelli is going to cling on to his podium after we crashed into Mia. It's nearly game over for Rodney. Morbidelli. Here we go on Morbidelli. Here we go then. We've overtaken Morbidelli for the third position. And Volkswagen is improving with his fifth position. That is really game on for Volkswagen. He wants his final place of the podium. Here. This has been a nail-biting stuff. Coming out again. He's going to stay as the World Championship League after that crash between us and Dwan Mayer. His third victory contention is going to be out in flames. Oh, we nearly crashed again because there's no slippery grass. Find the inside line and find the opportunity to overtake the World Championship leader. Rins is going to win the Grand Prix since Spain the first race. And Alex Rins win his Rins win his second victory since Spain in our first race of the season opener. Alex Rins is really confident. He has a confidence. He's nice and proxy here. Here we go, I'm bombing out again. I'm bombing out again. We've been tied to rivals. We've been tied to the rivals here. We're going to get close. He's just bombing out again. We're getting close. We're getting closer. Oh, we've been wide. We've been wide. We've gone wide. And we made a big mistake. Alga is still going to stay in second place. But good thing we felt like we made it despite that 2 crashes in a row. We've crashed twice at the moment. We've crashed twice. Good thing our car is in okay. Here we go on the further now again. The final corner. We're going to take him at the inside line. Inside line is straight side by side. He really refused to go side by side with us because he knows that he's going to win his first World Championship. Oh! It's Farming Alligator who's crashed. That is really game over. That's game over for Farming Alligator. He's never going to claim his World Championship. Extend his World Championship lead, and the World Championship lead will go to us now. Marquez is going to overtake Farming Alligator. It dropped him into 5th place. It's broken him. You can feel the pressure of us trying to claim and settle for his championship lead. And Farming Alligator is going to overtake Marquez for 4th place this one. He's been so bright, but can he now overtake Morbidelli and try to deny Franco for his first podium? Franco Morbidelli is going to claim his first podium ever. Podium ever will be steering on Alex Rins. We're going to go on Alex Rins now. As we get more boost. Speeding boost now. We're going all out on Rins. But Rins is still staying ahead. This has been an epic battle for races. Here we go on Rins now. Alex Rins is still staying for the lead. He's still staying for the race leader. For the race leader, we're not trying to cut the corner. But if the rules haven't been implied, we would got it. Here we go now. Here we go now. And we've been too distracted of the rear view. We're side by side. That was a really good evasive action between Alex Rins. We're not trying to cut the corner. Because we're not trying to get a penalty. But if the rules don't apply, falling out again. He's going to drop the place. And we're going to get a World Championship lead for the first time. Here we go on Alex Rins. Here we go then. We've been wiping the nose every day. We've been wiping tears every day because we think the championship is over because of the several DNS. Here we go then. He defends around the outside line. Yes, we nearly got. It's nearly a make contact. Near contact. This one. How close was that? Looks like Morbidelli is going to cruise on 3rd place. It's going to be a near cruise. Are we just going to wait until the last lap in the final corner? The final corner. Going on Alex Rins. We've been coming through. We've been coming through. We've been coming. We've been pushing through now. We've been pushing through. Oh! He's not going to give up this one, even though we're side by side. There's only 2 laps to go. Oh! We nearly overtook Alex Rins. Alex Rins got through. It's nearly a cruise control for Alex Rins. Or are we going to wait until the final call, and the last corner, last corner we go, we're side by side, last lap on the way. This has been an epic showdown between us and Alex Rins. Looks like he's going to get his personal revenge after we crashed into him, but his revenge is going to be fulfilled after we crashed into dry mare. Here we go, there was side by side. We're side by side. We can't let this revenge complete. Oh, Alex Rins. That is really game over for Alex Rins. There he goes Morbidelli now. There he goes, right for the Morbidelli now. We're trying to bait. We're trying to bait him. And Morbidelli's going to claim the lead now. Look at that, we're going to try. Oh, we've been wide. We've gone down, and it's really game over. It's really game over for us, and we're not going to claim the lead. So now Alex Rins, as he comes around the final corner, and it's going to be Rins wins in India. We're going to claim second place anyway, but we're going to take over the lead in the Formula Unlimited Racing X MotoGP World Championship. Marc Marquez is now on the podium. Will get the final place on the podium. Espargaro will claim his best 4th place finish, while Aldeguer is on 5th place. So now, we're now the World Championship League. We're now the World Championship League. The World Championship leader. World Championship leader. That is really crazy, this one. Looks like Morbidelli is never going to score points this one. Because we accidentally crashed into him. So Rins wins. Rins wins here in India. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video in Canadian Grand Prix. But wait, let me just calculate. 121 minus 14, and we're going to borrow 11. So it counts to 7. It counts to 7. 1 1. We're going to we're going to claim the World Championship lead by just 7 points. That was crazy. That was really crazy. From chasing to the championship lead by 7 points, and we're going. And it's like we're going to win the championship. We're having a title chance. So goodbye for now.